Hello everyone, my name is George Fragidis and today I'm going to talk about the Court of Justice. Well, the Court of Justice of the European Union is the chief judicial authority of the EU that oversees the uniform application and interpretation of European law. It interprets EU law to make sure it is applied in the same way in all EU countries, and it can also, in certain circumstances, be used by individuals, companies, or organizations to take action against the EU institution. It was established in 1952, and it is located in Luxembourg. The Court of Justice is divided into two courts. One, the Court of Justice, and second, the General Court. The Court of Justice deals with the requests for preliminary rulings from national courts, and the General Court rules on actions for annulment brought by individuals or companies, or in some cases by EU governments. There are many types of cases. One of them is the preliminary rulings, which means law interpretation. National courts of the EU countries are required to ensure EU law is properly applied. There are the infringement proceedings, which means law enforcement. This type of cases are taken against the national government for failing to comply with EU law. There are the actions for annulment, which means if an EU act is believed to violate EU treaties or rights, the court can be asked to annul it by a EU government. There are the actions for failure to act, which ensure that the EU takes action. And last but not least, there are the actions for damages, which means that any person or company who has had their interest harmed as a result of the action of the European Union can take action against through the court. In the Court of Justice, each case is assigned by one judge. There are two parts. Firstly, there's the written stage, which means the parties give written statements to the court. And there's the oral stage, where lawyers from both sides can put their case to the judges and advocate general. If someone, an individual, has suffered damage as a result of action or inaction by the EU institution or its staff, they can take action against them in the court in one of the two ways. Firstly, indirectly, through the national courts, which may decide to refer the case into the Court of Justice. And secondly, directly before the General Court, which means if a decision by a EU institution has affected you directly and individually. I hope you learned many things about the Court of Justice, and that was the end. Thank you.